In this animation, we have seen the formation of secondary wavefront, right? Let AB is a spherical wavefront, part of spherical wavefront, and we want to know what will be the position of this spherical wavefront AB in time delta t. For this, we have to use the Huygens principle. Each point of this wavefront AB will behave as a new source. तो हमने कुछ पॉइंट्स ले लिए A, B, C, D, E. Clear? These points will behave as a new source. Clear? Now, all these points will move with velocity of light, right? In time delta t, how much distance they are going to travel? C into delta t. A will cover how much distance? C into delta t. B will cover same distance. C will cover same distance. D will cover same distance, and E will also cover the same distance. Right? Now, taking A, B, C, D, and E as a center, draw a circle of radius C into delta t. You will get these circles, right? Now, outer envelope of these circles will be the position of new wavefront. मतलब जो wavefront अभी यहाँ पे था, यानी जो अभी यहाँ पे है, ये भी अभी यहाँ पे है, तो आफ्टर टाइम डेल्टा टी ये कहाँ पहुँच जाएगा? यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, ए डैश बी डैश हो जाएगा. सेम थिंग हियर ऑल्सो. ए बी इज अ प्लेन वेव फ्रंट. याद रखिए, प्लेन वेव फ्रंट को हम लोग स्ट्रेट लाइन से भी शो करते हैं. एंड व्हेन वी विल प्रूव द law of reflection and law of refraction, then we are going to show a plane wave front with the help of a straight. Now, AB is a plane wave front. हम प्लेन वेव फ्रंट को एक स्ट्रेट लाइन से भी शो करते हैं. Now, each point of this wave front will behave as a or act as a new source. Right? Now, I want to know what will be the position of wavefront AB after time delta t. Clear? Now, taking A, B, C, and D and E as a center, draw a circle of radius C into delta t. You will get this circle, this circle, this circle, this circle, and this circle. This outer envelope, which is touching these circle tangentially, will be the position of wavefront AB after time delta t. या delta t टाइम के बाद जो है A dash B dash will be the new wavefront. This A dash B dash is called as secondary wavefront and this AB is called as primary wavefront. ठीक है.